प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ, क्या हुआ कि मैं फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री कवर करती हूँ पायल, तो मैंने एफएम ने कुछ बोला। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग क्वेश्चन लेते, काउंटर क्वेश्चन लेते बैलेंस आउट करने के लिए। तो एफएम से मैंने राहुल गांधी पे सवाल पूछा था, शी गेव मी अ रिप्लाई। 2 दिन बाद राहुल वाज डूइंग अ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन द सेम इशू। सो मैंने वही सवाल राहुल से पूछा कि आई हैव आस्क्ड द फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर this question, what do you have to say? He just pounced on me. Oh, you've come here as an agent? The finance minister has told you to ask me this question. So I was very upset. And then he tells everyone that do we need to have her here at all? So I walked out. Yeah, I walked out of the press conference. But my point is that I had asked the finance minister a same question that Rahul Gandhi is saying so and so about you. She answered. So when I asked him that finance minister is saying so and so about you, he could have answered to call me an agent and literally being thrown out of the press
that also
conference.
publicly like that.
बड़ा embarrassing था, पायल उसके प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में रूम एकदम भरा हुआ था. I think there were around 60 or 70 people. It was like someone has slapped you publicly. I'm not used to this.
And you've been very close to the Gandhi family.
No, I won't say I would be close to Gandhi. I was considered to be
close proximity में तो थे उनके साथ.
Proximity में थे because they were just 4-5. They had I started covering Congress from 2004. Then it's very strange. I was in Aaj Tak and because Gandhi speak English, they wanted someone who could speak English well. तो उनको धारणा ये था कि पल्लवी अंग्रेजी भी बोलती है, हिंदी भी बोलते हैं. That's when I was given to cover Congress. So I used to go to Amethi.
That was not the choice you made.
No, we are given beats by our bosses. Then it stays. तो मैं अमेठी जाती थी almost every week. I used to go to Amethi. So you can see Rahul Gandhi recognizing me. I don't know why he got angry with me that day. I was very upset. And I'm very scared now.
Was he aware of it that कहीं ना कहीं Congress हारने वाली है and they're going to lose?
No, actually, Payal,
he was taking out his frustration and anger.
No, this was after they lost. I don't think they realized that they're going to lose so badly. They never realized that. No, they never realized. They actually thought that they are going to scrape through. और अगर हारेंगे भी तो उतने बुरी तरह से नहीं हारेंगे.
In 2014.
In 2014, because see, they always thought that Narendra Modi is just the chief minister, ना CM PM कैसे बन सकते.